What's the meaning of corm? Corm. Corm.
Corm. Corm. The word corm refers to a type of underground bulbous stem that is found in plants such as taro, crocus, and gladiolus. These structures are typically short and round, with a flat base and several buds on top, and they serve as a storage organ for the plant's energy and nutrients. When conditions are favorable, corms can sprout new shoots and eventually produce flowers and seeds. Corms are an important source of food and ornamental plants, and their unique structure has fascinated botanists and gardeners for centuries.